Creating AI-generated motivational videos on Pictory is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. We will search for Pictory AI. On the top navigation bar, you will see options like Home, Features, Academy, Pricing, and Login. On the main screen it shows us Easy Video Creation for Content Marketers. It explains that generate more leads and boost sales by turning any content into highly shareable videos using the power of artificial intelligence. And believe me, it is really fast, scalable, and affordable. If we scroll down further, we will see the different reviews by different people who use this website. If we talk about the website, its design is very impressive. In the last section, we see Features, Resources, and Working with Us section. This website has plenty of features, like script to video, blogs to video, edit video using text, create video highlights, auto-caption videos, and auto-summarize long videos. Though again, coming on the top page, click Login on top right corner. It will take some time. From here, create your new account by simply clicking on Continue with Google. Now, here is the first page of Pictory for you. There are 4 options you can use for your videos. Script to videos. In this, you can just start typing or copy-paste your script for making a video. It can be used for educational videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guides, and etc. In article to videos, we can simply paste the link or URL of the article and Pictory will make a video for us. It can be used for blogs, press release, and any HTML article. And edit video using text. Input video from various sources and edit your video like a professional. It can be used for adding subtitles automatically, cutting portions of videos, creating video highlights, and adding logos or intro. And in visual to video, we can drag and drop files from personal computer and it will create a slideshow for us. It can be used to create a slideshow video using existing images and short video clips. You can select the option you are looking for. I will go for script to video as it is very suitable for educational or coaching videos. On this screen, in the top right corner, you will find options like Create Team, My Projects, Get Started, and Help. In the script editor, you can write the title of your video at the top. Now, you have the option to paste from the clipboard or type a script. Below the box, it shows the number of characters we have written and spell check errors. Now everything is ready. All we need is a script to write for our video. For the script, let's simply go to the ChatGPT and write, "Give me a script for a motivational video." Then, we will receive the script for our video. It is pretty fast and give you very quick response. When you think that you have got enough script, click on Stop Generate. Now, all you have to do is to copy and paste the script onto your main dashboard. Copy the lines which you want in your strip one by one, as we have written the text. After writing, you can see the character count, which is 258 characters. After writing the text, we can also change the scene settings. On the top right corner below Proceed button, option of Steam settings is available. Click on Auto Highlight Keywords, Auto Visual Selections, and create new scenes. After this, click on Proceed in the top right corner. It will take some time and then take you to the next page of templates. Template is a combination of styles and brandings, and it can be easily edited under the respective tabs in the storyboard. Under the section of Template Library, there are many templates to choose from. I will go with this one, but you can choose any of them. After this, here, we also get the option to choose the aspect ratio. I will go for 16:9. Now, it will take some time to create the video for you. Be patient because sometimes it takes a lot of time. It total depends upon the network or internet you are using. Finally, here is the main dashboard to edit your video. On the left panel, you can see your script or dialogue one by one in the form of scenes. We can still edit our script from here. At the bottom right corner, we can see our scenes. Intro, Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and Outro Scene. We can click on each scene manually and edit the text by our choice and according to the scene where we want to place the text. We can place it at the top, in the mid, or wherever we can want it. We can edit text of all the scenes available there. Above the screen, there are options of bold, alignment, changing the text color, and many other options. We can change the color of text and background from panel. On the left side navigation bar, we have many options like visuals, audio, text, element, styles, branding, etc. to change elements, which can click on elements to add different types of elements in our video. Similarly, if you want to change the text, click on text to change different types of text. In the last, you can also change the orientation of your video. It's totally up to you. You want it in landscape, portrait, or square. After making your choice, click on Download button available on top right corner. It will take some time to process our video and generate the final output. After exporting video, we can also play it and it will play very smoothly. So you can see, that's how you can generate an AI-generated motivational video.